Today, we are going to see how to install Kali Linux, the operating system used for hacking, on your system using VMware. Let's start the video. Open your favorite browser. Search for Kali ISO. And open the first website. Click on Installer Images. Then select the Kali installer. The download will start automatically. Once the Kali ISO is downloaded, open VMware. In VMware, click on File. Then choose New Virtual Machine. Select Typical. Click Next. Select Installer Disk Image ISO. Browse for the Kali OS ISO file you downloaded. Then click Next. Choose Linux as the operating system and select Debian 12 x 64-bit. Click Next. Set a name for your virtual machine. Then click Next. Allocate the required disk storage. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file. Then click Next. Click on Customize Hardware. Adjust the memory allocation as per your system. I have 32 GB RAM, so I allocate 6 GB. Adjust it according to your system specifications. Similarly, configure the processors. I set to processors and to cores. Adjust as needed. Then click Finish. Then click Finish. Power on your Kali OS virtual machine. Select Graphical Install and press Enter. The default language is English. Click Continue. Select your location and click Continue. The setup process will take some time. Now, set a host name and click Continue. Set a domain name, then click Continue. Set a username. You can use the default Kali or set a custom username. Click Continue. Set a password and click Continue. Click Continue multiple times until you reach the partitioning section. Choose Yes to confirm the disk changes and click Continue. The installation process will take some time. Once the setup is complete, log in with your username and password. After logging in, update and upgrade your Kali OS. Now, your Kali OS is ready to use. You can start exploring and using it as per your needs. Kali Linux is a powerful tool for ethical hacking and security research. With this setup, you can now start learning and experimenting with various tools in Kali OS. If you face any issues, feel free to ask for help. Thanks for watching.